Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to replace a battery in a Series 2 Apple Watch. So turn your watch around and there'll be a button on the back. You'll press the button and just slide one of the bands out, and then do the same thing with the bottom. Press the band with your thumb, slide it out. Alright, next you're going to want to take your housing and you're going to want to put it into a clamp or something, or just get a heat gun and heat up the screen itself to release the adhesive, just to make it easier to access the screen. After we got the adhesive all loosened up, we can now pry off the screen. We have our slim pry tool here that we're going to use, and our replacement battery. Replacement batteries can be found at joesge.com. There will be a link in the description, but first we're going to take this slim pry tool and remove our screen. Alright, now that we have the screen free, we can remove this black tape here and then unplug these connectors and remove the screen from the housing. With the screen removed from the housing, we can take our iPhone 7 tool, or iPhone screw driver, to remove this one screw to take this cover off. Underneath this cover right here is the connector for the battery. Take that screw out of the way. And also the cover. And we'll get a little plastic pry tool to wedge underneath there and disconnect this from the battery. After that's disconnected, we can just simply get this little pigtail out of here, and then kind of scoop the battery out with another pry tool here. There we go. Alright, battery is out, and now we can take this battery and get our replacement battery, which you'll find at joesge.com, or you can follow the link in the description. Just simply insert that new battery and plug the connector back in. Alright, now that we got the battery connected again, we're going to take this cover and put it back over that connector that we just plugged in. We got that cover in place. Now we're just going to put the tiny screw back in. And all that's left to do after this, we're just going to have to plug the screen back in and reseal the housing. Okay, now that I got the screen connected again, we can now take the screen and press the side button here. Screen should light up. Means the battery's good. We'll just have to put it on the charger, charge it up some, and next step will be getting some adhesive. We're gonna use some B7000 here to reseal the watch. So with the screen secured back to the housing and knowing that the battery is working now, I'm going to clean up the screen from excess adhesive, but that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. If you need a replacement battery, The link will be in the description, and any services that you need, just contact Joji at joji.com. Thank you.